Okay, so today we have a Mercedes C200 Sport Manual 2-litre petrol, lovely condition. Take you around the car, still 74,410 miles, 5 services. It's ready for a service now, which we'll have done along with a full MOT. Re-delivery check to make sure everything's working. Wheels have been professionally refurbished, so all A1. Very nice clean car, drives beautifully. Black silver grey leather. A little bit sunny today, so I'm not sure if you can make everything out. It is very clean. Take you inside the car. It's more of an oyster leather, that actually. Very clean, nice condition. Leg extensions. Piano black gloss dash trim. Brushed satin aluminium dash inserts. Heated front seats. Lower sat nav, colour reverse camera, media connection, Bluetooth. Very, very clean in the rear as well. Looks like it's not been sat in. Rear seats do fold down if you do need to load anything through. Yeah, in lovely condition. Electric folding door mirrors, electric boot release, electric seats with electric lumbar. No wear on that lumbar there. Leather trimmed multi-function steering wheel. Auto lights, rain sense wipers. We've got cruise and a limiter there, I think. I need to check that. Front to rear park. Let it fire up. So you can change the agility, which is the individual settings on the car, to sport, comfort, eco, or you can do them individually. So you have adaptations there. Okay, so media, memory card, SD interface, Bluetooth audio, everything there, so you can use your phone for pretty much everything on there. Sat nav, into that. Sat nav we got there, and colour park sensor, park camera. Okay, just look outside and just refresh. Cab. 2014 64 plate, 74,000 miles, 5 services, need a service now, so that'll be 6 services, full MOT, pre-delivery inspection. Plenty of pictures on the website, I believe. 772